Here's Nicegram app, AI chat for Telegram, and here you can just have access to this new AI chatbot for Telegram. Just sign in to Telegram within Nicegram app, and then you will have this Lily AI chatbot available. ChatGPT powered chatbot is ready to assist you with any task. Get detailed answers, compose original text, solve an equation, and then just get started. So yeah, and then you can just start chatting, and then you can just message, and then you'll just start chatting with the bot, I guess. So seems you still need to additionally log in. Okay, so now you just have access. You can summarize, explain topics, generate comments, generate image. It's a bit slow though, and you need additional gems in top right to get more replies and all of that. So here is how the bot looks like, and then it will just appear in the top of your chats here in Telegram. However, this is like a Nicegram assistant for Telegram.